Everyone thinks the best-selling multifunctional toaster oven is automatically the best one. But is that really true? If you look a little closer, the story is actually quite different. Product number 1. Black & Decker Crisp & Bake. The Black & Decker Crisp & Bake Air Fry Countertop Convection Toaster Oven really caught my attention with its sleek design and impressive 5-in-1 functionality. Priced affordably, it aims to deliver convenience without breaking the bank. If you want a compact solution for air frying, baking, and more, this is worth a serious look. This model offers 5 cooking functions: air fry, bake, broil, toast, and keep warm. Here's why this matters for you specifically. If you're tired of having multiple appliances cluttering your kitchen, this one can replace several of them. The advanced air frying technology means you can enjoy crispy fries with little to no oil, which is a healthier alternative you'll appreciate. It even fits a 9-inch pizza or up to 4 slices of bread, making it perfect for quick family meals or snacks. Now, some people complained about its capacity feeling a bit small for larger families. Here's the thing though, if you typically cook for 1 or 2, this could be a great fit. It's compact yet spacious enough for quick meals. This is perfect for you if you live in a smaller space or want to simplify meal prep. Skip this one if you often cook for large gatherings. Overall, it offers solid value for your money. Now, if that capacity bothered you, this next one takes a completely different approach.
Product number 2. Emeril Lagasse French Door. The Emeril Lagasse Extra Large French Door Air Fryer Toaster Oven Combo stands out with its elegant design and an impressive 24 cooking functions. It's on the higher end of the price spectrum, but offers a lot for its size. If you want versatility in your kitchen, this is worth a serious look. With a whopping 26 QT capacity, this oven can handle everything from air frying quick snacks to roasting a full chicken. The dual-speed fan and automatic shutoff ensure your toast comes out perfectly every time without the risk of burning it. Plus, the stainless steel exterior not only looks great but also adds durability. However, I did notice some reviews mentioning that it can be a bit bulky for smaller kitchens. Here's the thing though, if you have the counter space and enjoy making various meals, the size is a small price to pay for the functionality. This is perfect for you if you love hosting parties and need a reliable appliance to handle done-first cooking tasks. Skip this one if you're short on kitchen space or prefer something more compact. For its price, you get a lot of cooking power. Alright, that was a solid option, but the next one on my list might actually be even better for those who want to reclaim their counter space.
Product number 3. Ninja Air Fryer Toaster Oven. The Ninja Air Fryer Toaster Oven combo caught my eye with its unique flip-up design, which takes up 50% less space when not in use. Priced at $149.95, it's a mid-range option that packs a punch. If you're looking for something that saves space without sacrificing functionality, this is worth a serious look. This model offers 8-in-1 functionality, allowing you to air fry, roast, bake, and more. The oven crisp technology ensures even cooking, which means no more burnt edges or undercooked centers. It also has a wide temperature range, from 85 degrees Fahrenheit to 450 degrees Fahrenheit, making it quite versatile for various cooking needs. Some users mention that the controls can be a bit confusing at first. Here's the thing though, once you get the hang of it, it becomes intuitive. It's a learning curve that pays off in the long run. This is perfect for you if you want a multifunctional appliance that keeps your kitchen organized. Skip this if you prefer straightforward controls with fewer features. For the price, it's a solid investment in your cooking arsenal. Now, if you like the Ninja space-saving design, you might be intrigued by our next contender. Product number 4. Cuisinart Air Fryer Toaster Oven. The Cuisinart Air Fryer Toaster Oven caught my attention with its premium features and solid construction. While the price isn't listed, it generally falls in the mid to high range. If you want a reliable and versatile appliance, this is worth a serious look. Featuring 8 cooking functions, including air fry and convection bake, it's designed to handle everything from toast to a 4-pound chicken. The Air Advantage technology ensures fast and crispy results, which is a must for anyone who loves flavor-packed meals. Plus, it includes a variety of accessories for easy cooking and cleanup. However, some reviews pointed out that it can take up a bit of counter space. Here's the thing though, The cooking capacity makes it worth the space if you regularly prepare meals for family or friends. This is perfect for you if you enjoy cooking a variety of meals and need an all-in-one solution. Skip this if you have limited counter space and don't need the extra capacity. It's a solid choice for its value. Now, if you're looking for something that offers even more versatility, let's check out the final product.
Product number 5, Ninja Digital Air Fryer and Toaster Oven. The Ninja Digital Air Fryer and Toaster Oven really impressed me with its 8-in-1 versatility and sleek design. Although the price isn't listed, it generally offers great value compared to its features. If you want an appliance that does it all, this is worth a serious look. This model features precision-controlled temperature and airflow, allowing you to air fry, toast, dehydrate, and more with ease. It cooks up to 60% faster than traditional ovens, making it ideal for quick meals. And it fits a 13-inch pizza or up to 9 slices of toast. You're getting a lot of functionality in a compact design. Some users have noted that it can be a bit tricky to clean due to its design. Here's the thing though, the performance and cooking efficiency make it a worthwhile trade-off for many users. This is perfect for you if you want an appliance that's powerful yet space efficient. Skip this if you prefer a more straightforward toaster oven without all the extra features. For what you get, it's a smart investment.
So there you have it. We covered 5 amazing multifunctional toaster ovens with air fry capabilities. Whether you're looking for a compact option like the Black & Decker or a powerhouse like the Emerald Lagasse, each of these has something unique to offer. Choose based on your needs and enjoy cooking up a storm.